Okay, Laughing Dog 20-day challenge, day 1. It's the treasure hunt, Nails. Yes, you know what to do. I'm going to hide them. Good girly. Good girly. Right. She's very, very good at sniffing kind of lower to the ground. So I think if I hide some in there, some in here, not too many. I don't know if she can reach them actually. There we go. Maybe some under here. Get creative. It's quite a tricky one. And oh, maybe under her toy. Throw her off the scent. And maybe a couple up here. Good girly. Okay, Nails. Let's see you. Let's see you. Straight to them. Straight to them. Yes. Oh, you're so clever. What a good girl. Game's not over. Keep going. This is the 11-year-old in her. Just give up if she can. Oh, what do we think? You can smell them on my hands. That's what the problem is. Good girly. Anywhere else? Back for more under there. Oh. Tricky those ones, aren't they? Where are they, Nails? Where are they? Ooh, very near. Can you smell them? Can you smell them? Yes. It's very pensive look out the window. Any more? What about Laylee? Laylee? What about... Any here? Oh my goodness, you're such a clever girlie. Good girl.